Welcome to the Windows Computer and Technology channel. Well, if you want to keep your system safe, your Windows 10 secure, Windows 11, or any operating system, Mac, Linux, even Android, stop downloading optimizers, cleaners, and not counting the fact that when you start looking for that, more than half of what you'll see on the web is fake and actually has high security risks attached to it. Some are malicious in a way that they're just going to install and you just can't install them anymore. Some are malicious. They're going to try to lure you into thinking you've got so many problems that your computer maybe is really going bad and trying to lure you into paying for something that doesn't do anything. So it's going to say, oh, well, we can clean that up for $89.95. Yeah, but that $89.95 doesn't do anything because it won't clean it up. It won't do and change anything. Call support numbers. Hey, look at that. Call our number here and we're going to help you clean your PC. It's got tons of problems. They all try to lure you into installing stuff that could be, at the limit, just annoying, but very often have all sorts of keyloggers and all sorts of problems where they can snoop and spy on you. So this is, the thing to avoid at all costs. Cracked software. When you download a piece of software that you're not paying for, first of all, it's called stealing. Then you actually go and search for a crack that will open the software that might actually be locked down because of, no product key or whatever. You don't know what you're downloading. You are at a high risk of downloading malware. And even if it looks to work, you have no idea what you just did. You have no idea what could be running in the background of your PC without even you knowing about it. A crack can be an open door for somebody to snoop on everything you do, to steal personal info, steal your bank account info. Anybody that does that and goes to his bank account and his PC and all of that, I can tell you, you're looking for trouble. As a tech guy, pretty much everybody that did things like that got bitten, and of course that meant that I had to go and fix their PCs. All sorts of fake antivirus that are just going to tell you, well, we're going to scan your PC for viruses and stuff. Do not download anything. Even CCleaner, things like that are the most useless thing in the world. And anybody downloading these cleaners just doesn't help your PC at all. It's just another piece of software that takes space that, even if it's legitimate, it takes space and does nothing that is helpful. People got to stop thinking that that's useful. It's not. Fake video players, or be careful of downloading whatever player from a good site. You need VLC, you have to download it from VLC.com website. Downpod Player has its own website. Don't download it from some shady website that you don't know what they are. Do not download any types of video players of whatever they're telling you to. You'll get access to illegal movies for free and stuff like that. Updating your video player that's updated in Google Chrome, that doesn't exist. Only Chrome gets updated. There's no video player to update within Chrome. It doesn't work like that. These are all things to avoid at all costs. Or else you're going to be bitten by malware, ransomware, and that is the way to stay safe. And that's valid, once again, for every platform, be it Linux, Mac, Windows, Android, and so on. You can have fake software that just snoops on you, steals your personal info. If you enjoy my videos, please subscribe, give us thumbs up. Thank you for watching.